Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Drive tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to create a shortcut in Google Drive. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Drive and go to the folder from which I want to create a shortcut. Here I make a right click and under Organize I find Add Shortcut. I click on this option and now I have to select the location where my shortcut should be located. Pay attention to the selected tab. Usually I never find the right location under Suggested. In this case I select all locations and here I use my drive. Now I click on Add and when I return to my drive I find my shortcut here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.